Water here, look. Let's dig a hole here. Now that'll fill up. Look. Well, good evening. God, it's a lot hotter than I thought it was going to be. It's just pure stuffy. I'm here in County Clare. You see the Loch Derg in the background. And we're climbing the highest mountain in Clare, which is Moylussa. I think it's 530 meters or something. It's not too bad. I just said I'd get out for an evening time hike. So get up here now, make a cup of tea is what I'm doing. Oh, lovely evening. Really, really is. It's kind of a mountain that I think this is at Lex's limit now. So she's yeah, dementia. I haven't been up here in a while. Just like my last hike when I went up to my local woods. The one thing I do love about Moylussa is the size of the woods up near the top. Like the trees are absolutely massive and beautiful and butchered. another culling Look, again, I know it's a business, but me not being in the business, I just hate seeing them being cut down. I think as a hiker, and as all hikers and campers and wild campers and outdoor people know, that it's yeah, we like to protect Mother Nature, I suppose. I'm not going to tie myself to a tree or anything with a chain. Don't cut, don't cut. Not yet, anyway. I just don't like seeing it. Yeah. Do not walk on the open mountain. Only joking, Quilta. Ugh. Yeah, I wanted to stay here for tea or coffee, but the midgets are a bit of a killer. Let's get cooking anyway. I'm dying for a cup of tea. I got a handy tip to keep the midgets off you and to keep you cool on the mountain. All you got to bring with you is a very expensive drone. And then stand underneath it. Ooh. See? Very safe. It's not the best look, but it's keeping the midgets off me. Look like a feckin' pirate. Cheers, everyone. Cheers. The midgets are finally going. We get a kind of a beautiful rays of sunshine here behind us. So I think it's time to head back down now. It's going to be dark in the next 45 minutes. So we'll kind of ramble down fast. nearly back at the car. Happy days. That was a lovely evening time hike now. I just decided to go after work because I haven't been out for a while. I was in Spain with the family last week, and yeah, and I'm actually going to Iceland in 2 weeks time to hike a 5-day trail. So I'll have some info about that, and I'll be making a video along the way. So yeah, Iceland is somewhere I always wanted to go, so I can't wait for that. So, and I'm actually, a few people were asking me what I pack for my what I pack when I go wild camping, so I'll be making a video about that. I have a new tent. It's the Vango Helium one. It's the F10 Helium one. So that's the one I'll be bringing to Iceland with me, but I've never used it yet. So this weekend I'm gonna be putting it up and fixing it up and checking it out, and I might do a review on it. Well, a pre-review before I use it, because I don't know what it's like. So so I have the Langshan one and I have this tent, so I'm not sure. Look, I'm gonna stick with the Vango. It's more tested, so I'll keep the Langshan for different nights. So that's the tent I'm bringing, but I'm gonna do a review the weekend with it. Anyways, plenty going on. Yeah, this week as well I'm gonna have the date for the wild camping weekend up, so I'll put a poster up on the page, and look, we'll go from there. It was just hard to lock down a date with everything going on, you know, holidays and the kids are off school and all that jazz. So anyway, I hope you're all well and good and staying safe with the feckin' COVID on the rise again. But feck it, get out in the hills, you'll be fine. Right, I'm nearly back at the car. So come here, thanks very much for watching. Please hit the like button. Don't know what it does, but it seems to do good things. So you hit the like and I'll like you. God, that's cheesy. Alright, thanks for joining me on another adventure. And please hit the subscribe button and send this and pass this on to your friends. Just trying to build the channel as much as possible. Right, anyway, on this beautiful, very, very, very calm night, mind yourselves. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Stay safe out in the mountain.